Yes, welcome back, children. Now I will explain the text part. My little brother Bob is 3 years old. Who is telling this? Yes, Bob's sister is telling this. She is narrating the entire story about Bob in this lesson. But nowhere her name is mentioned in the book. But it is also an important character, Bob's sister. My little brother Bob is 3 years old. How old is Bob? Bob is just 3 years old. He loves everybody and everything. But what he likes best is bathtub. See, he likes everyone. Whomever he meets, he likes them. Because in childhood, children, they don't discriminate between people or discriminate between things. They know how to enjoy with all the things they come across in their lives. They know how to be happy with all the people they come across in their lives because they are so innocent. Right? So he loves everybody and everything. But what he likes best is the bathtub. Likes best means liking most. Liking most. He likes bathtub most. Among all the things he likes the bathtub the most because he enjoys taking shower in bathtub. Not only that, he doesn't care if the bathtub is full or empty. So irrespective of whether the bathtub is filled with water or it is empty, still Bob likes to stay in the bathtub always. You may wonder, when the bathtub is filled with water, yes, it is fine to stay in the bathtub and play with the water in the bathtub. But why should he like the bathtub when it is empty? That we will know shortly. Any children? Okay, next. So you can see this picture in which Bob is enjoying taking bath in the bathtub. Shower is fixed to the bathtub. He likes to enjoy with the bubbles. Right? Fine. Every morning, Mum gives Bob a bath. She gives Mum. Who gives Bob bath every day? Yes, it is his mother. Mother gives Bob bath every day because he is a small boy. He cannot take bath on his own. But if you are grown up already, because children, you are all in second standard, so you should be around 5 years age, is it not? So you should be more than 5 years age, I suppose. So you should be able to take bath yourselves. Okay. Bob likes staying in the bathtub. Always he wants to remain in the bathtub. He doesn't want to come out. So whenever Mum says enough, come out, no, he says no, I want to continue to stay in the bathtub. Mum has to pull him out of the tub always. He won't come on his own. Getting children? So forcefully Mum has to take him out. Otherwise he won't come. Bob starts crying. Whenever Mum tries to pull him out of the tub, he starts crying. Getting children? So Bob starts crying. So then Mum says, Bob, you have been in the tub for an hour. You have been in the tub for an hour. It means for more than 1 hour time you have been in the bathtub. Enough, come out. Like that Mum is telling. See what she says next. Now put on your clothes and drink your milk. Mum is telling this. Who said this? Mum means mother. Bob's mother is telling this. Now put on your clothes. Put on, P-U-T, put, O-N, on. Put on means wear. Now wear your clothes. Instead of telling wear your clothes, it can be told like this also. Put on your clothes. Getting children? And drink your milk. It is time to come out of the bathtub, wear your dress and have your milk. Bob, enough playing in the bathtub, come out. Like that, he's she is pulling him out of the tub. See what Bob does for that. No, no, cries Bob. No, 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 mom, no, no, I don't want to come out. I want to continue to play. No, 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 I like to stay in the bathtub. Don't take me out. No, take me out. No clothes, no milk. See what he is telling. No clothes. I don't want to wear clothes. No, no, I don't want to drink milk also. I wanna stay here. W-A-N-N-A, wanna. Meaning is given in the bottom of the page. You can see in your textbook. W-A-N-N-A, wanna. Wanna means want to. I want to stay here. Same thing can be told as I wanna stay here. Wanna is a slang language. Okay, but still it is accepted. If the tub is empty, Bob throws his toys into the tub. See, I told earlier whether the tub is empty or filled with water, Bob likes to stay in the bathtub. See, this is what he does when the bathtub is empty. He just puts all his toys into the tub, then he climbs in and starts playing with them in the tub. But still he wants to stay in the tub. He doesn't want to come out. Ready, children? So this is the main problem now faced by the people, other people in the house, in their family. Okay? He plays until we make him get out. He never comes out on his own. Until we pull him out, get him out, he won't come out, he remains there. So we have to keep the bathroom door shut. Otherwise what happens? If the bathroom door is open, okay, when mother is engaged in the kitchen, when sister is busy with studies, father is busy with his works, what Bob does is he just goes into the bathroom, he will enter the bathtub and he will start playing. Ready, children? So to avoid that, what they do? They just always keep the bathroom door shut. S-H-U-T, shut means closed. S-H-U-T, shut means closed. Okay, next. Yesterday Bob gave me a big shock. Who is telling this? Yes, Bob's sister is telling this. Yesterday Bob gave me a big shock. What is that shock? That we will see in the next video.